What's up, y'all? So I'm excited about this review. I sprinted in the house as soon as I saw that box on my porch about an hour ago and said I can't wait for this wig install, okay? So an Amazon company called Let's Q sent me a 36-inch goddess triangle part wig, box flats, and I am super excited about it because it's HD lace, and the lace is giving exactly that, HD, okay? So as you can see that it is a 360 box braid wig. So I'm going to go ahead and put it on, but I'm not going to be doing the 360, just the front, and lay the lace. And when I was telling you HD, y'all, look at this melt. And this is before I even do the melt. This is just me pressing it into my scalp. Y'all see that? It's the celebratory dance for me. So I'm just going to take my spritz and I'm going to press that into the scalp that it is giving all the way around. And then I'm going to go ahead and melt that into my skin. Now I'm just going to take a little bit of my powder and add that to the parts. And then I'm going to do a half up, half down, because y'all know it's hot here in South Florida. So I need something up off my face, okay? Now I'm just putting up in my bun, and y'all, it's giving. Oh, okay. Y'all see that? Baby. Now I'm gonna go ahead and slay these baby hairs. And you know how sometimes in the wig the baby hairs be all thick? No, baby, they thin and ready to rumble. So I'm going ahead and doing these baby hairs, and y'all, ooh. Add a little powder to that, add a little powder to that, and voila, y'all, it's giving. I just sat down for 9 hours and got my hair done and laid. Ooh, and let me turn around and get the back for y'all. Y'all see them parts? Giving, snatched, everything. Definitely worth $180. Bye.